back, man. Look. These folks in traffic driving super slow. That boy pointing over there, boy said, look at this nigga over here recording. Boy got the big lag truck out here. I love the front ends on that joint. I love the truck, period. That might be what's called truck. That's my mind truck. Yep, that's probably. Oh, shit. Damn, I almost fell. Sliding and shit. Man, we used to be so bad, bro. Man, we used to be down off in these jumps. Oh, y'all used to do it too? Like we got one of them jumps right there. We crawled through one of them jumps and went up through the park. Yeah, we crawled through the little drain right there, and it came out. It came out in the park. We went up through that jump. Cause we had walked from shit. We had walked all the way from Tullahoma up past my mama's house to where they at. What you looking at? She was trying to look at the side of her eyes so she didn't want nobody to know she was looking at the camera. I see you. Ooh. That lady back there in that car. Yeah, man, walking to the Walgreens. Damn, that's a big old drain right there. We could have walked in that joint. They start putting them what's called under them rods on them joints on the inside of them because people's them kids was going there getting stuck. Ooh, that boy got a bag back down the hill. Look, baby, look. Look. In the rear car. Sliding back down the hill. Get some gas, fool. Oh yeah. Get some gas. Look. Please don't tear your car up. Trying to make it in KFC lot. Yeah.
Make my heart penny.
What? Slide. That should be so fun. That should be fun unless you slide into a damn curb. Me and baby said we were gonna walk to the stove, man.
To the stove, man.
Oh, shit.
It's pretty though.
Out here, yeah. We enjoying nature right now.
We never do this shit in the summertime.
Man, I ain't never do this shit in the summertime. Fuck that nature. It's hot. That ain't nature, that's heat.
Yeah.
Shit. Nope. Not doing it.
That's hot.
Now it's cold. And nigga fingers tingling and toes and shit. Now you wanna walk outside. Oh boy.
Now nigga wanna exercise.
Right. So that's gonna be my thing right there. Like I'm gonna start walking more often. I'm gonna start walking to the store more often. I'm probably saving $30 worth of gas right now.
Being over dramatic.
Okay, 10. $10 worth of gas.
You saving our way around. First of all, the amount of groceries we goddamn have, we saving a lot.
Yeah.
A lot of energy. All them fucking kids.
Man, all them fucking kids. Oh boy. But yeah, man, we headed to Walgreens, like I said. We checking in with y'all, man. And y'all see what goes on. My hands getting cold now, so I hit y'all back. These damn football. These is not fall season gloves. So Hit y'all in a minute.
Man, we gotta do what we gotta do.
Right. Shit.
Oh my God.
The boy, he can't stop doing that. He got slick over there.
Better be careful.
Boy, we still at him. I done went and got me a cigar.
Yeah, see, like, you need to be so small like that.
Huh? That's about the same size as the other one, ain't it? The other one's a little bigger.
Yeah, other one's a little bit. But shit, that's cool over there though.
Yeah.
Oh man.
That's a, what's it called? Cleaner.
Yeah.
Think?
That's her own. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Dry, folded. Nah.
Yeah, that's something else. It's because it said mobile laundry.
Oh, okay. They got their own businesses.
That junk there empty? No, it ain't. No, that's a mattress junk.
Oh shit, one kid,
That junk empty.
This one is safe.
I don't know.
Yeah. Probably a lot of work needs to be done.
Wow.
Yeah, they done.
Look, it ain't. That's a little space.
Yeah, I'm saying. Walk to the stove.
Are you serious? You walk?
Yeah, maybe. Walk to the store. Ain't no up the street.
It's cold out here.
Nah, it's cold. It's probably straight.
I can see you out here. Drive. Why y'all didn't drive? Guys,
We out here enjoying nature.
what you say?
So we out here enjoying nature.
Oh, yeah, that's
We left the kids at home.
yeah,
That's the big junk. Yeah, we finna
Yeah,
the street.
yeah. It's ice.
Yeah, we finna
We
head on to the house. I don't know what I was saying at first. We're looking at these buildings right now though. These spaces open.
Them money ain't say them ports, but these people out here though. They close
Hit y'all in a
the doors
second.
up.
Alright man, we back to the house. I'm gonna go and close this video out because there ain't nothing left to say. We finna, what's that? I don't know what that is. What's the ain't nothing left to say, man. We finna, what we finna do? Well, I'm finna start another video actually. I'm finna start another video, so I'm finna close this one on out. We walked to the store, we had a blast, we had some bonding time, we had some quality time. You know what I'm saying, away from the kids. That's crazy how you have to, that's crazy. But it was fun though, it was fun. You know what I'm saying, y'all seen the dude doing his thing in the parking lot. It was fun. So, with that being said, it's your dog, man. Big Belo, Mr. Ain't Man himself. Checking out with another video, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one.